Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Turn on developer mode and ensure virtualization is enabled in BIOS if using WSL. Next, install Windows Terminal from the store or run Winget to get the latest build. Make sure Git is installed so you have a Bash-compatible toolset. If you plan to use Linux shells, run WSL install now and reboot when prompted. Once done, open Windows Terminal to continue. This gets you into the environment where you'll configure profiles and defaults. You'll now configure the middle steps. Open terminal settings with Control+ and add profiles for PowerShell, Command Prompt, WSL distributions, or Git Bash by specifying executable paths. Set your preferred default profile so new tabs launch exactly where you want. This saves time. Customize appearance. Choose font, color scheme, background image, and starting directory for each profile so you have consistent context. Make sure to save settings and test opening multiple tabs. This validates that each profile launches as configured. Finish by installing productivity tools like OhMyPosh or a prompt theme and any terminal extensions you prefer. These improve clarity and speed. Map keyboard shortcuts and custom key bindings so you can split panes, open new tabs, and jump between shells quickly. Test common commands like git status, ls, and wsll to confirm working integrations, then restart Windows Terminal to apply final changes. If a shell fails to start, check the profile's executable path and enable virtualization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.